Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with a quick unboxing for you. So I think you might have heard me mention in the last video I did that I'm going to be doing some more polymer clay videos, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing from the Heart Supplies. So if you're familiar with polymer clay and From the Heart Supplies, they used to be RJ Crafts. I've been a customer of theirs pretty much since I started polymer clay at the beginning of 2019. They had a couple rough patches, but they are back and better than ever. And I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing some content creations for them. So I want to show you what I got, and it's just a little haul, but I wanted to kind of get you guys thinking along the lines of polymer clay instead of just beads and bead hoarding. So let's see what's in here. Ooh, I'm seeing some cute stuff. Okay, so let me read the packing slip. So I've got the Spores Silkscreen. So that's what this is. And if you guys, I'm going to put everything on in the links below. And then you can check out their site too. So I'll leave the site and links to everything that I'm showing you. This is the Spores. Here, I'll move the box out of the way. This is the Spores Silkscreen. If you're not familiar with polymer clay, if you're thinking about using polymer clay, if you're an expert with polymer clay, I'm just going to be doing different things with polymer clay at least twice a month going forward. And if you don't know how to use a Silkscreen, well, you're in luck. I'm going to show you how to use one pretty soon. So this one is called Spores. It does kind of look like COVID-19, but I just really like the pattern, and I thought it would look good as a floral pattern too. So there's one. Let's see if I can, I don't know if I have my, yeah, I do have my ruler. I'm sure it says on the website, but I'm not on the website at the moment. So it's about 5.5 by 4.25. So pretty good size. Next is I have another Silkscreen, and the cool thing is they have instructions on how to care for them. So once I actually do a tutorial using one of these, I'll go over that in the tutorial. And then I got the mandala, I think it goes this way, and that looks pretty cool. So I just really loved how intricate this is, and you don't have to use the whole image, you can use parts of the image too. So I thought that was really, really cool. So I've got those two. And then oh, I'm so excited. I have so many of their cutters, guys. Like I have a ridiculous amount of their cutters, and I will always tell you when they come from them. I will always send you the links. So this is a new set that I do not have, and this is the Mix and Match earring bundle full set. So there are, from what I see, I think two of each size. So there's not each size, two sizes of each earring cutter. So I'm just gonna dump it out and we'll go through what's in here together. So I have two donuts. I only have, I think, one or two donut cutters, and that's okay because you can always just use a circle, but these just make it a lot easier. These are gonna be great for faux gemstone tutorials, which I haven't really tried in the past, but I also just love the donut shape. So I will be making some beads or pendants using these. And I can get out my trusty, dusty ruler. This one's 1.5 inches. Sorry, 1.5 inches. This one is, oh, well, maybe this one's 1.5 inches. Hold on one second. This one is about 1.25 inches actually, and this one is 1.5 inches. Okay, and I'm sure there are more, there are better measurements on their site. So then we have like the half, like the half capsule almost. So inch. I don't know which way to measure these. Probably the longest way. So this one's 1.25 inches, and this one's 1.5 inches, and I'm measuring this part, not the top. So there's a very thin edge, which makes a better cut. And then we've got some half donuts, or like the rainbow shape. I don't have any cutters this shape, I don't think, but it's a very trendy shape. If you guys have seen some of my past finished jewelry videos, you'll see that I have made a lot of polymer clay earrings, and a lot of those shapes came from the Heart Supplies. So we have a neat, it's not actually like a diamond. I'll have to look at their site and see what they call this shape. This one is 1.5 inches. So it looks like all of them are about around 1.5 inches and 1.25 inches. So that's really neat. That's a really neat shape. And you could do a really cool pendant with this too. I don't want to give away all my ideas right away. Some smaller circle cutters. These I'll probably end up using quite a bit. I do have a set of circle cutters, but one of them I've collapsed, and I use metal and plastic, metal and plastic, but one of my metal ones I must have tweaked somehow, and it doesn't cut as well anymore. We have a hexagon, and actually these are smaller. So this one is about 3/4 inch, and this one's about 1/2 inch, and probably the same on the circles too. Then we have smaller half capsule shape, and you could always get the capsule shape and cut it in half if you didn't want to get 2 different sizes, but it's a lot easier and a lot more precise if you have this cutter. And then we have larger hexagons. So I really like this earring mix match earring bundle. So the full set, which is one of each, well, actually it's 2 sizes of each cutter, and it's $26.50. Let's see. I'll have to go to the website and see what the actual cutter set is for the smaller one, because looks like, I'm guessing it would be like the larger size and then the smaller size. So this is probably one set. And then this is probably one set. So you can get them, you don't need to get two of each. If you just want the larger set or the smaller set, you can do that. But it comes in handy when you're trying to make several different kinds of earrings or pendants or whatever to have the full set. There is more in this package. Let me see what we got. Oh, and then she sent me some candy. Yummy. That looks like yummy stuff. And they always package it really well. There's a lot of nice paper stuffing so you can recycle in a nice hard shell box. I've never had an order come from them damaged. Never. And then, oh, these are really neat. They are wood cutouts. Oh, we have a little baby turtle. You guys know I love sea theme stuff. And then we have, oh my gosh, so we have the turtle in 3 sizes. And these are perfect. You can cover these in polymer clay. You can paint them. You can stain them, patina them, whatever you want to do. Use resin. Yeah, I will be definitely. Oh, okay. No, it's 2 sizes. So you can make earrings and a pendant. So cute. And then we have a tree of life. And these are beautiful. I love laser cut stuff. So cool. Thanks, Rhonda. I am going to have a polymer clay video for you guys. Most likely on Saturday. Well, it's going to be on or before Saturday. So Saturday the 24th. So look forward to that. I'm so excited to make some stuff featuring these items and the items I already have. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you know anybody who likes polymer clay or beads, share my channel, and then stay tuned. I'll show a little tiny video of Goldie. She cracked me up. I woke her up out of a dead sleep and I felt so bad. So stay tuned. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Oh, you were sleeping. Oh, I'm so sorry I woke you up. you're such a sweetheart. Oh, I'll leave you alone now. Oh, have a good nap. Love you. Yeah. That's so cute. Oh, you're such a good girl. All right, good night.